2015 Cadillac ATS rear-wheel drive 3.6 liter V6. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it's true dual from the factory with two more converters in the back. And then we left the resonator on. He didn't want it too loud. Then we'll put two MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKs. One here, into 4-inch tips. There and there. It really completes it and makes it really look really beautiful. Fits that gap perfectly, if I don't say so myself. I hope you guys like it. Let us know in the comments. If you guys want the tips or the MAGNAPACKs, you'll see the link in the description. And this is the original muffler that came off right there. Those tiny tips. Before, that's after, and this is before. After. Let you guys hear in a second. 2011 Cadillac CTS 3.6 liter V6. What we got done on it for you guys? Factory converters, there and there. Then we did a mid resonator delete. So basically now it's true dual all the way back. The resonator comes in, dual out. Then it's got a factory H pipe all the way in the back, which is kind of weird, but okay. And then it had two huge mufflers, one here and one here. We cut it out and put the pipe straight out the back in the middle, because that's how it's set up. As you guys can see, some custom bending going on. 2-inch all the way back, so it's gonna scream. That's what it comes with the factory. There's the two mufflers. There's that gigantic resonator. We cut all that off and replaced it with this. It's a CTS 4 3.6 liter. As you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That sounds good. There's sound decibels again. 101. Like it? That sounds sick, bro. Go ahead and back it out. Yeah. Whoa. That's awesome. Ah, that's awesome. Here's sound decibels. 118, bro. That's freaking high. That's awesome. So good. Get on it! Nice! CTS 3.6 liter coupe. Hey boss, let me get you to move over here.